Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is the tips to clean your dishwasher. Many of them might be thinking that of course the vessels will wash, why can't these strainers, right? These drawers also can be cleaned out. No need to clean the dishwasher. Of course you're right, but when the time you remove your vessels, the wet and the water drops will be it will be there. So to clean that, I'll tell you how to clean this dishwasher. Okay, let's get started. And here I just pour water. I took 1 cup of water. In that I've just added little bit of Lysol. And if you see here, there is water drops. Just after a wash, it is water is just like that. And this here we'll put some detergent, right? So that also, that marks also it is there. So what we have to do, we have to take a wipe like this and wipe it after a wash. After wiping, for our own hygieneness, you have to keep your things more clean. Look. Once again you dip it. Just squeeze it and wipe it once again. I'm going to show you how to clean the filter also. Please watch this video till end. Now look how it is. Right? Very clean. Now this, you just open this and keep, because it should dry. And now you remove this. This is already dried actually, no need to clean. Just keep it aside. Look at this guys, this is the dishwasher filter. You have to clean once on 3 washes. You must clean this, if not your dishwasher will get spoiled. And now I'll show you how to clean this. Like this, underwater you have to do this. If it is more, you can use the brush, but this is very clean only, so I'm just washing it only through water. If it is more, you can just use some salt water, dip it, and just have a new toothbrush and brush it out once. See, it is almost 1 year over, guys. We took 1 year back this dishwasher, and I always clean this filter because in demo itself they have told you must clean this. Okay, it's done. Okay, now I'm just washed this and fixing this. I fixed it. Now you see here how dirt it is. So now we're going to wipe this. With the Lysol only I'm washing this, guys. and wipe this fan also, because it is very delicate. Don't give too much of pressure for this. And even the sides. Now if you see, it is damn clean. I really love to see this now. Take a dry napkin like this and wipe it. So that it will dry soon. If not, if you open and keep also, that's okay. But I will wipe like this. At least after 4 to 5 washes I do this. Guys, if you maintain well, your things will be more neat and hygiene also. Once again, if you wanna use, you feel like using it if it is clean only. Buying the things is like not a big matter, big thing to buy. Anybody can buy, but maintaining is very important, guys. So now it's over. If you see, so now I'll teach you which detergent, salt, rinse, where, which place we have to place. So this is the salt will be like this, guys. This is a salt place as I showed you in the previous video. If you wanna watch how to like if you want to watch the how to place the vessels and how to wash, you have to see my previous videos. Open this and you have to pour it. This work I would have done before cleaning itself, but to show you people how to clean, I've just shown first that video, then I'm putting the salt. So now it's done. So here it is a little bit dirty, so I'll just clean it out. It's salt only, no, it will get melted through water, so no need to worry and no need to remove. Oh, some crumbs are there like that. So okay, I'm done. Look at this, guys. This is salt place and this is filter. You have to clean this, and now I'll show you how to put rinse to this for sparkling, shining for the vessels. This you have to turn left side and open it and pour this. Okay, it is filled. It's done. Here I showed you in the previous video 1 spoon of detergent for 1 wash. Here you have to put 1 spoon and you have to close it. That's it, guys. So If you like my video, please subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please ask me through comments. So how do you felt about this video, guys? Whether it is helpful for you? So I wipe sides also if you wash, and it should dry, guys. You should leave it open so that it will dry soon. Every wash you have to keep the dishwasher's door have to little bit open, keep open, so that it will dry inside. It won't dry means then inside some marks will be left out, like what I have showed you before wiping this. And there is one more fan up here, so I have to wipe that also. This drawer we can't remove, so I'm not showing that. Look, it is very clean, right? Okay, now I place this drawer here, and this side there is a light. Please observe. Here one. Look at my dishwasher, how clean it is. If you want to keep your dishwasher also so clean and hygiene, please follow my tips. Thank you. If you're not wiping through the dry cloth, if you're not wiping it with a dry cloth, then you have to keep this much open at least for 1 hour, so that inside everything it will be dried. If you're not, though you're wiping with a dry cloth, it's good if you keep at least for half an hour. Anyway, I think you like this tips. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.